Our Italian meatloaf is stuffed with mozzarella cheese and is always a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Combine dried basil, oregano, rosemary, parsley, and thyme. In a medium bowl, soak sliced white bread in milk. Allow this to soak for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, combine ground beef, ground sausage, breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, and eggs. Squeeze the remaining milk out of the bread and add the bread to the meat mixture. Combine everything well together. In a loaf pan, add in the meat and create a hollow line in the center. Place your mozzarella cheese in the middle and cover it with the meat mixture. Top with tomato sauce and shredded mozzarella. Bake uncovered for 40 minutes until the cheese on top is golden brown and melted. This recipe is perfect for a busy weeknight and takes only 15 minutes of prep time. You can find more delicious Italian recipes on our website.